Let us study chemistry together with CBSE Chemistry Tips and Tricks.
Consult the table of standard electrode potentials and suggest three substances that can oxidize ferrous ions under suitable conditions. So here what we have to find? We have to find three substances that can oxidize ferrous ion. What is ferrous ion? Fe2 plus, right? So what we have to find? Three substances which oxidize Fe2 plus ferrous ions to Fe3 plus, right? Okay, so here Fe2 plus is undergoing oxidation and we are supposed to find what? Three substances which support the oxidation of Fe2 plus to undergo oxidation. The one which support oxidation is known as what? Oxidizing agent, right? Oxidizing agent. And we know oxidizing agent itself undergo what? Reduction, right? If it undergo reduction, what about the reduction potential? Definitely their reduction potential must be greater than Fe3 plus to Fe2 plus coupled, right? And whose value is what? Whose value is 0.77 volt. So what is our task? We have to find three substances, right? Three substances whose reduction potential is greater than this value. For that purpose, take your textbook, take lesson electrochemistry, take the first table. There you can see the table of reduction potential. Identify three substances whose reduction potential is greater than 0.77 volt. For example, if you check fluorine, you can see the value is 2.87 volt. And for chlorine, it is 1.36 volt. For hydrogen peroxide, it is 1.78 volt. Okay, so what is the meaning of that? It means fluorine can oxidize Fe2 plus to Fe3 plus by itself undergoing reduction. Chlorine can oxidize Fe2 plus to Fe3 plus by itself undergoing what? Reduction. Same for H2O2. Hope all of you understand. I already gave you a detailed answer. Now this is for writing purpose. Substances with higher standard reduction potential than Fe3 plus to Fe2 plus coupled can oxidize Fe2 plus to Fe3 plus. So you are supposed to find three substances whose reduction potential are greater than this value, right? We identify fluorine, chlorine and hydrogen peroxide. Okay, so if their reduction potential are higher, they can easily undergo reduction. They can readily gain electron, that is reduction, right? And act as a strong oxidizing agent so that it can oxidize Fe2 plus to Fe3 plus. Hope all of you understand.